Hey, are you ready? Let's roll.
All right, Judge, bottom of 6. Anderson, come on up.
You say Anderson?
Anderson, bottom of 6.
Oh, bottom of 6. You were Mr. Henderson.
Yes.
Sir, you're charged with interference with the emergency request for assistance. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On June 3rd, 2026, the officer was dispatched due to family disturbance at a Harris County, Texas residence. Officer made contact with complainant who stated she knows defendants and that her and defendant were in a dating relationship and lived together. Upon returning from work, defendant asked the complainant to get food. The complainant declined due to fatigue. Defendant was upset and an argument ensued. Complainant told defendant to pack his belongings and leave, but defendant refused. The complainant told defendant she would call police. Defendant stated he would wait for their arrival. Complainant stated as she called 911, defendant knocked the phone from her hand and pushed her onto the bed. Complainant's mother entered the room and witnessed defendant push complainant's head against the wall and cause pain.
What? Oh, say it again.
The witness observed defendant push complainant's head against the wall, causing pain.
Is there an accompanying assault with this case? Is this the same complaining witness?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe it is the same complaining witness because there's no assault charge, Your Honor. Defendant had reported other family members made him leave. Defendant sustained a scratch on the left side of his neck and the upper right arm and stated he called the mother of his child so he could pack his belongings and leave. Defendant stated he was upset because complainant would not take him to get food and admitted when complainant called and attempted to call 911, he took her phone to prevent her from contacting the police.
Mr. Henderson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are not to be in possession of any weapons as well. I'm entering now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Ms. Thomas as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. It's probably a good idea for you to listen and not be in la la land, Mr. Henderson. You violate this, they can file additional charges against you. You are not to have contact with this person. You're not to threaten, harass, use another person to communicate threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of the 3443 Clouding Road apartment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you violate these conditions, that they can file a violation of a protective order against you. It's one of the worst cases you can pick up, sir. Hey, do you mind printing? This is Mr. Thomas. I'm sorry, Mr. Henderson. Do Do you mind printing out the MOA so I can write no contact on it, please? Mr. Henderson, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? What do you do for a living?
I do TikTok.
What does I do TikTok mean?
I'm a TikTok creator. I'm
Okay,
an affiliate.
what kind of money does that earn you a month?
It's not more than $800.
Okay, then you need to get a job. A real, legitimate 9 to 5.
Yes, sir.
Your attitude tells me a lot.
Not to be an attitude. I can do nothing, and I know I'm not here to speak about anything.
You have the right to remain silent, but your attitude tells me
Keep calm, sir. That's really I didn't do anything really wrong. They're not gonna tell the full story about whatever happened.
stop.
I'm just chilling. I'm not trying to be a victim, so I'm just accepting what's happening. Going up about the business. Okay.
I'm trying to keep my calm with you, Mr. Henderson.
Okay.
If I lose it, it's just not going to go well for you. I'm giving you the expectation now. You need to get a job. There's no more use of any alcohol or illegal drugs. You pick up any more cases, I'm telling you now, I will keep my streets safe. And if I have to throw you in at a high bond, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat and I will not lose sleep over it. You understand me? You don't get to sit at home playing Xbox all day while everybody else in Harris County has to pay for everything for you. Do you understand? It's just not an argument. This is not a negotiation. I'm telling you what the expectation is. You either live by the conditions or you die by the conditions. I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks. And I want to see what you have done to get a job. You will be tested. If at 40 days from today, you test positive for anything illegal, it's not going to go well. Do you understand?
That's it.
Come on.
Your Honor, those were the pre-trials?
Yeah, he's going to be monitored.
All right, Judge, top of 12, Reyes, come on up. All right, go ahead and sign for your Lisa. Financial officer?
No, I got one.
Oh.
Yeah. So you can go ahead and appoint him a lawyer,
Okay.
but back in 2 weeks.
Anderson. Reyes. Top of 12.
Ms. Reyes, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It is elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of high blow. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 4th, 2026 at 2:03 a.m., officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas in regards to a violation of a protective order. Witness stated his son had a protective order against the defendant and defendant violated this by driving to the street to honk and yell, including coming up to the front door to yell. Witness also stated defendant appeared intoxicated while driving a white Honda Accord. Officer was in a marked patrol vehicle when he witnessed the car matching the description, driving down a public walk at a high rate of speed with the lights off. Officer pulled over the car and witnessed defendant with red floppy eyes, slurred speech, and a strong odor of alcoholic beverage from her breath. Defendant refused to leave the car and was only identified when officers ran a big protective order, which read defendant is not meant to be at 260 feet of the residence or to communicate with the officer observed an open beer can in the vehicle. And states that he and his boyfriend he had dropped a previous charge for assault and that the protective order shouldn't be in the system. Officers conducted standard field sobriety tests. Results were 6 out of 6 HBN, 4 out of 8 walking turn, and 3 out of 4 one night stand. Defendant provided a breath sample, results were 0.174 and 0.165.
The prior aggravated assault, the prior aggravated assault that was dismissed less than a month ago, same complaining witness. Tell me, was there alcohol or
I'll get it right now, Your Honor.
and then she has a prior aggravated assault with family member, same complaining witness from the one 4 years ago?
Different complaining witness, Your Honor. And I'm taking a look to see if there one different complainant is involved in the alcohol.
We'll just see that application.
Yeah, drink. Ms. Reyes, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does she have a license to drive?
Yes, Your Honor, her license is.
One more, and I'm going to revoke your bond and I'm going to put you in jail. You understand?
Her license is eligible, and taking a look at the prior alcohol, Your Honor, it does not seem like alcohol was.
It is, there was. Ms. Reyes, I'm going to find that there's probable cause. You were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will get a scram monitor on your ankle, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. And I'm forbidding you from going within 1,000 feet of where the complaining witness in this case lives or works, and you will get a GPS monitor on your ankle, so I know where you are. If you go anywhere near this person, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my streets. You do anything to violate these conditions, it's just not going to go well for you. Do you understand me? If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, now is the time for you to address it. Because if you don't, and it becomes a problem, I'm going to do it for you, man. You have the ability to hire a lawyer. See, I have an application. I need you to fill out an application. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Deputy willing to give you an application. You will sign a reset, and then we're going to have you meet with your bond conditions, and then we'll take a look at you, see whether you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Is she allowed to drive?
With an interlock. There has to be an interlock on the car. Yeah.
All right, Judge.
And
The last
insurance
one is
as well. I
on
want proof of
page
insurance prior to.
John, come on up.
Oh, no weapons.
This is
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with cruelty to animals. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On March 2nd, 2026, officer was assigned to review a case authored by HSPCA regarding an emaciated horse and deceased bull in Harris County, Texas. On May 24th, 2025, officer responding to a downed horse when he observed a different emaciated horse. Upon opening an investigation, he found the horse to have a body condition score of 1.5 out of 9. Officer also witnessed a deceased bull. A 3-day notice was written for vet care for the horse.
Did you say a deceased bull?
Bull, FOA.
Oh, full. Okay.
Upon returning on May 26th, the horse was still in the stall and the note was untouched. The foal was still there with flies around it. The next day on May 27th, there was no contact with the owner, so the note had been removed. The deceased fowl had also been removed, but the horse was still in poor conditions. Officer called defendant after getting a phone number from the bar manager who claimed ownership of the horse since July or June of 2024. Defendant stated the horse had been skinny since she got it and had a cognitive documentation. Defendant stated she saw the note on May 25th but did not read it. Defendant also stated she was aware the horse gave birth. In a supplement, the detective stated that he spoke to the defendant, who stated she knew the horse needed vet care but did not read the notes, so did not notice the 72-hour time frame despite disposing of the note. A vet examined the horse and found the body condition score to be a 1 out of 9. The vet found that this was likely due to starvation, this was likely starvation due to malnourishment. The vet stated, likely that there was also likely dental neglect and total.
Do we know that it was hers?
She claimed ownership of the year.
She did?
The barn manager also provided the number for the defendant.
So it's on the mayor then.
The barn manager identified the defendant as the owner of that stall. Or the owner of the horse, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Young, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. You're ordered not to have any care, custody, control of any animals. You understand? If you violate this condition, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds, man. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Are you working at this time? Stop. I just need to know whether you can afford a lawyer or not. So what I'll do is I'm going to have Deputy Williams give you an application. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. You have to be at the federal poverty guideline level to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. I'll I need to know. So we'll just have you fill out an application. Please be honest. You're going to swear to it, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Please, no animals. Do you understand? Now's not the time. You need a lawyer, and the lawyer can help you navigate through this. But now I've got a bunch of DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to try to use it to prove guilty. Okay? Please. No care, custody, control of any.
Yes, Your Honor. We get to,
Hi. Come on. Yes, sir, please.
Judge, I'm approaching, I'm Brandon Ventura.
Ventura. Okay.
Hey, bother with this, but, need to go to the proper channels and you're at, what we
Don't be
have-
sorry. Whatever you want to do is not a problem.
We have a bond condition, regarding curfew. And I've given your pretrial supervisor and the prosecutor some documents that reflect that it would be a much better arrangement if that curfew was changed a little bit to allow for him to continue working as a garage door installer. What we were asking for originally was changing it. Right now, it's from 7 to 7, changing it from 9 to 9. Your pretrial supervisor pointed out that because he actually is not necessarily required, they're giving him some leeway at work to get there a little bit after 9. But if he was going to be perfect employee, the curfew would actually be 8:45 or 8:30 to 9:15. So that's an expansion, but the employer can live with just the same 12 hours instead of 7 to 7, 9 to 9.
What say you?
I just wanted to report, Your Honor, the defense provided.
And if it matters, Judge. the
Okay.
pre-
No, I mean, that's
compliance.
what my next question was going to be. You know, I just need some kind of proof that he's actually going to do these. You see it? No. Veronica, I trust you. So you've seen it?
Yes.
Okay. Had there been no violations so far? Okay, I'm all right with it. You know, baby steps, right? Tell him
Yeah.
just no violations, just no contact and
Correct.
Yeah.
Thank you.
no weapons.
And he's been made aware, painfully so. And
Great.
there is a court-appointed lawyer on the case right now. I have been able to reach out to her. I did file a notice of appearance and
Oh, great.
a record. She has my permission as related to the coordinator to sub me in or sub out or whatever.
So wait.
I've made an appearance.
So you are going to sign on to these cases now, both of them.
I am on this case.
Are you-
And upstairs.
Wonderful. That makes it a lot easier.
Thank you.
Okay. Who is it? We can also try to reach out to them as well to see.
I'll be happy to sign
Yeah.
on the kiosk and generate it. She can just.
Okay,
sign.
yeah, for sure. Go for it.
Oh, and how is July 21st?
So it's council, you want 9 to 9? Is that what you want?
I was hoping for 8:30 to 9:15. That would.
So
actually
8:30
get there on time. instead of-
8:30?
Yes, Your Honor.
So he's got to be home 9:15
Correct.
until,
8:30 in the morning.
okay, I'm okay with that.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sure.
Did you talk to Chelsea about the resolution of South Office?
Counsel, good morning, Mr. Began.
I was told we need to approach on Garcia because it's getting old. I'm gonna see.
Yeah, you're at 200 days.
So.
Where we
there's
headed?
There's a felony, it's unrelated to this case, but it is on the 248 and we're still getting, it's a ag assault. If there's,
Is the same complaining witness?
nope,
Okay.
it's completely separate. What happened, if you remember, this is one where.
I don't remember my,
What happened was he was shot. He was shot. Complaining witness shot, he is shot. He was in the hospital. I approached you because he was in custody in the hospital. He got a
is this,
bond.
did he shoot himself? Is this when he's cleaning a gun? No? Okay, just a random,
It was someone shooting back at,
got it.
it's a kind of a shootout.
Okay.
That's at 48. This should be set to July 21st. I told the prosecutor today that this case is, the felony is probably a year away from getting anywhere.
And we can't hold it that long.
I know,
So-
and what I told the prosecutors made an offer of 30 days, we rejected it. I made a counter offer at times, there's two charges, there's a assault, and then there's a criminal mischief. I made
Is there
it-
any restitution in the mischief though? Yeah, I certainly will give you more time, but at some point we got to say when. So, but I'm happy to give you more time.
This, I appreciate that. To me, this is a case, this case, we can do standing right.
Sure, it's, I get it. I understand.
So my counter offer was dismissal or a time served on the criminal mischief. But right now, I'm not, he doesn't have a chance to listen.
You got,
I'm not pushing that.
yeah,
That's what we are.
We did confirm that, criminal mischief was statement, we still had a valid for.
okay, I need to know if there's restitution. So between now and the next setting, do you mind reaching out to complaining witness to see? Well, I mean, the goal is hopefully a global resolution. I don't know if that's still, because yours is just so new. I mean, it's 4 years or 4 months up there and these take for,
No,
right, so,
I knew that it could be an
Sure.
issue and so, if we have to try this case before, we can, but it's one that.
I understand. We'll give you some more time. Don't worry. Just hopefully between now and I don't know, is there still a lot of discovery that's outstanding upstairs? Okay. All right, we'll just give you after the July
Yeah.
and then just keep us in a loop.
What I've been doing is I set it on the same day, then we come back down here.
Sure.
And then.
Sure, of course.
So we.
Sure.
Again.
Just please look to see if there's, my concern is everybody should be made whole. If someone has their stuff broken, really, it's only fair. This is, upstairs is what they're really worried about. This is, right? But nevertheless, restitution is important, Okay, all right, have fun. Let's move on. Hey, give me one second. Back again, back again.
He came up clean today.
But it keeps happening though. Mister, come on. Come up.
I spoke to him.
So he tested today?
I spoke to him on the phone the day he missed. And I spoke to him about 12:30, he said, I'm gonna leave about 1:30 to go. And he called me again.
I'm happy that you're negative, man. Really, I'm extremely happy. Just try to do better, man. I'm trying my best not to put you in, I'm happy that you're negative. That's great. One day at a time, just please.
I think traffic.
All right. How are you getting point A to point B? Are you driving? Are you?
Right now, I'm cleaning, driving, I have to get drove and move back sometimes, like I took Uber, but we got stuck in traffic and made it here late.
How are we doing? Are we still doing Mondays and Thursdays?
Yeah.
Okay. How long has he been negative for?
I'm sorry?
How long has he been testing negative? Has it been just a couple weeks, 3 weeks? No, it's not been 3 months.
He
3
he
weeks.
was in drug.
I'll make you a deal. The next 2 times, if you show up on time and you're still negative, we'll change it to once a week randomly. So you don't have to come 2 times a week. All right? But trust is so easily broken and very hard to get. And I'm willing to work with you. Just keep it, stay clean, one day at a time. Just don't miss. And then next 2 times, if you're okay, once a week, randomly. Okay? All right, man. All right. Good luck, Mr. Good luck. Thanks. Hello? Hey,
I'm sorry.
you and my son. Hey, I'm sorry, my AirPods are picking up. What's up, buddy? What are you watching? Yeah, I know. What are you watching? Okay, yeah. I just sent you money. I just sent you money. Just use the Apple Watch. Okay? All right. Okay. Bye.
Judge, did you can you send the transfer order for video so we can send them it for the tenant?
Yeah.
I hadn't even showed up for the to say, but I was just coming to
You're welcome.
Okay, okay, sounds good. Yes.
Yes. My phone's off. So SOS.
Is, emergency.
No, come back. You can keep it in there. It's a good problem. I gotta get a job. So my TikTok experience, don't get a jail, getting free meal, you want to take out time, just stack it. So it's kind of like, it's not, it's okay. It's a lot.
I'll probably consider your, I think. Okay. And then just. No problem. And then, yeah, just kind of, they decided on the figure this. No, she's not gonna offer the.
Oh, that's all done. The. And then you bring it. And, I get what you. What is it? Is this? Okay. Right. You're that's lines and I'm right.
So you can act with me. I'm like,
So, hey, he was disrespectful to you?
He was helping, I was fine, was listening, wasn't ready to speak, and
Did you feel threatened at all?
I did not feel threatened, but, I was not given instructions.
Yeah, no, by all means. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. We'll let him calm down for a while. We'll see how it goes.
I will say this, I asked him if he had a phone and he's like, I don't have a phone, so I'll see if he has a phone. He's like, it's on.
Okay. We'll let him chill for a while.
With this name just in case. It should be. Yeah, for Or you know what they can yeah. I don't know that it's really Judge, whenever you're ready, I have two cases on those.
Okay, let me just send this real quick.
Yeah.
Hey, what was that dude that we took him back? What was his last name? Anderson? Oh, Henderson, right.
Page 6.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
All right, Judge, the first case number is 2623109.
Okay, Miss Davis, come up. Oh, sorry, I need you, please.
2623109.
Good job. Miss Davis, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 1st, 2026, officer was flagged down by a reportee in regards to disturbance at Harris County, Texas Public Library. A complainant was security and reported the incident. Defendant was cussing out an employee / yelling at her. Officer heard the incident take place. Security screamed, "She needs PD." Officer observed a university laptop flying through the air, hitting the ground. The laptop was valued at $1,200. The witness observed defendant throw the laptop off the table. Complainant, the manager stated the value of the laptop and wanted to press charges.
Okay. Ms. Davis, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go back to, or probable cause to go forward. You are ordered not to go back to this library. You understand?
Yeah.
You are not to have contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. You already missed court once. You have a warrant for your arrest at this time. I will recall this warrant, but I'm not going to do it again. If you miss court again, you will go to jail. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know who you have in this life, Miss Davis, but if I have to put you in jail at a $10,000 bond and you don't have anyone to put up that kind of money, it's probably not going to go well. You understand? Yes or no? I'm not asking much. I want my streets safe. You need me to appoint you a lawyer today, ma'am? Okay, do you mind creating those bond conditions, please? Do you mind please appointing her an attorney?
Yes, Judge, are we reinstating?
Yeah, we'll reinstate the bond now. You got the constable? Yeah, okay, thanks. Ms. Davis, for now, I'm gonna have you sign a reset. We will have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Do not leave until you sign the bond conditions and we'll find you a lawyer, ma'am.
Okay.
Come on.
Judge, I have another case number when you're ready.
Okay, let me just write this down real quick.
All right. I'm just doing
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, case number is 26222289.
Come up, Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, you now stand charged with driving while your license is suspended or revoked. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On May 28th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed defendant driving a vehicle with no vehicle registration sticker displayed on the windshield. Officer had knowledge that defendant had been operating the vehicle with a suspended driver's license and had no financial responsibility. Officer also knew that defendant had open misdemeanor warrants. The traffic.
The officer knew that he had misdemeanor warrants?
Yes,
Is that what you said?
I believe the officer recognized.
Oh.
The traffic stop was conducted and officer ran defendant's driver's license and found it to be suspended and also found no proof of financial responsibility.
All right. Mr. Lawson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit promising me that you're not going to drive. Do you understand? You have missed multiple courts, multiple occasions. You're on bond for an assault and you now picked up another case. I'm not going to give you another PR bond. You will be going into custody today. But at this point, do not drive. Okay, we'll appoint your lawyer today and then I'll have you talk to someone here momentarily. All right? Okay. Guys, you ready?
Good morning, Judge.
Come on. Good morning.
It's an off-docket, Judge.
Okay.
Case number whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
It's 2622290 for last name Cal.
Tally?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
One out of Alabama for robbery and the state is requesting a 3-day extension, no more than that. They've never gotten an extension before. She also has some recent history right prior to that from Tennessee for indecency, strong failure to appear, and so we're just asking for a 3-day extension.
I would be opposed to the extension of retaliation, had ample time to get retaliate and we didn't really threaten the extension at this point.
She only waived the, oh, it's been,
And so they said, because I knew you wouldn't give the 4 days, I told them morning of 18, and if the court grants it.
I usually will give no more than 3 days, Ms. Kuhn. I usually give maybe one, you know, if it's serious enough and no more than 3 days. Okay, I'll grant it, but
Thank you, Judge.
that's it.
All right.
Okay, yes, thank you.
I put them on, I think about five. They just follow what you found, I think. Set it tomorrow, but it's upstairs in felony right now. I think so.
Hi.
Hey guys,
Hi.
I'm working on that, off docket from yesterday, you ordered the removal of the GPS monitoring device, but you didn't have the pre-trial service.
Oh, right. Okay, so just,
Pre-trial, we couldn't get his thing for the.
okay, yeah, do you mind processing it and waive the signature? So is he here?
He's not here today. but
Okay,
I
so
can
let him
send
know.
it
We'll
to
take care of it now. We didn't have a pretrial and we forgot.
Okay, no worries.
Oh, here,
No.
just so the court knows, file the notice of appeal.
Yeah,
Who did?
me.
Okay, don't get your feelings hurt. It is what it is. Yeah, look, we had someone who literally appealed it
Yes.
for 5 or 6 years?
It was a very long time, I think.
The original, he spent more time here appealing it than what the original sentence was in Florida.
No.
This is very roundabout way to make it to be a.
Do it. You do what you need to do. But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
I mean, like the other guy, he appealed it. He went to the CCA, he went to federal court, and at the end of the day, it was a 4-year sentence.
Yeah.
And he spent more time, he spent 6 years here or something appealing it, or 4 years, 6 years. But anyways,
I love making case law.
there you go. So where are we going now?
Well, so.
I'm gonna be filing the actual appeal. For
It's
now,
just
I've
a
just,
notice.
for now, I've just filed the notice.
Okay.
Placeholder
It's
to
a toll,
to toll them actually coming to get them, like, we
Okay.
will come back. So, I just filed the notice just as.
So how soon? Is it 30 days to get it in?
So the date hasn't changed, that's just giving them time for the appeal, and then if they don't actually file the appeal, then for appellate rules, it's gonna kick it out, so this is just to give them the opportunity to file. the appeal.
But you do have what? Is it 30 days to
30 days.
file? Yeah.
And then,
Okay,
Okay.
good luck.
Thank you. Don't say that.
What's up, man? Done already? Okay, have fun. Hi, Enrique. I signed your order the other day. Is that what you want, talking about? The order for discovery? Or you have something else? Sure. Thanks. Damn, that's a lot of emails you were talking about. A lot of emails that you were talking about earlier. Tell me. Does the state know of this? Okay. Is it just a standard discovery order? Yeah. You didn't modify it in any way?
It may be something in there, not.
Because not, if it's just standard, then they've already agreed to it. But if you have modified it, okay, it looks like, I don't see anything that's been done. So, all right, I'll sign it. Hey, just to give you a heads up, he's filing just a standard discovery motion in one of his cases. It's 259 0852. I just want you to know so that you're not. Yeah.
And it's
Etch. A lawyer. Uh-huh. And conditions that we need you to sign. Shoot.
I'm trying to figure what is the probable cause for the other four we do today.
We already did probable cause.
You said what?
We already did probable cause when you were standing here earlier.
Yeah, I'm trying, I didn't hear, what was the probable cause, because the last property is great.
Okay, we can't, ma'am, you have the right to remain silent. I've got a bunch of DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to use it against you. No, it's not fine. Let me get you a lawyer. I'll have you talk to the lawyer. Give me 10 minutes. I'm just waiting on them to come and then you can talk to the lawyer about it. Okay? Just please, just don't leave. What'd you get for?
Oh, it was one I had to wait on. I named it in qualify, so I'm not.
You don't know yet? I think she's ready to go. She's ready to go. So.
Right, it's an all resetting. Most stress case.
Ventura? Oh, I see that. Oh, right, it's okay if you did. Oh, don't worry. I don't need it. No, you didn't have it. It's fine. I was just not getting it. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so it shouldn't be. It should be. That would be. Yeah.
Hey, Lance, what's up, man?
I know. Distraction.
No. They're waiting on action for, the officer and for. Yeah, keep us all over the place. Oh, we got.
Hey. Morning.
Got two cases on docket, right? Mr. Noah Gonzalez, the arraignment on a reckless. We're spoken of state.
Are you ready? You mind bringing him up so we can be ready? Come up, Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $200 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
On June 3rd, 2026, officer observed defendant's vehicle going 98 miles per hour in a 65-mile-per-hour zone. Officer observed defendant's vehicle swerving in and out of traffic, going around other vehicles on the roadway in heavy traffic. Officer initiated a traffic stop and made contact with defendant and asked why he was driving like that, to which defendant stated he was late for work.
Got it. Does he have a license to drive?
I'm running his license right now, Your Honor.
Please. Mr. Gonzalez, as a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to drive in a reckless manner again. Otherwise, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance, and that is also a condition. If you do not have car insurance in your name, no driving.
His license is eligible, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to have conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll have you sign a reset, then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box. At that point, you'll be free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. She must have stepped down, so if you just want to have him take a seat, then just tell him not to leave. All right, who's your second?
Brenton Livingston.
Okay. Where are we headed?
So, I've spoken to the state, they've made a PTI offer, I've talked to my client, 0.04, so.
You what?
0.04,
Great,
so,
but we need to know it's 170 days. I understand that it's a load, but
yeah, I got hired kind of, but I'll talk to him, I know the last minute.
I'll give you one more standard reset, but at that point, he's got to be here to either accept or reject. If he wants to apply for PTI, he's got to have it in by the next setting.
I'll
but-
talk to him.
yeah.
Where we're at.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
So he's approved. Was there an accident? Does he need a mitigation packet? Livingston.
No accident, she doesn't need a mitigation.
No.
plan, so there'll be a-
So basically just all you got to do is the application and,
That's all I would approve, that's on this application.
Yeah. okay, cool.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I don't care what, just the only thing, just no heaters. That's, other than that, I don't care what you guys do. If you want to eat, carry on, I don't care. Just the heaters kill. Oh, my Lord. How's homeboy back there? Is he good? What's up, Dick?
Hey, Judge.
What's new, man?
Now, I'm looking for you. You. Judge, turn on the live stream. We're gonna get some fireworks on today.
It is. Don't worry.
I can get a cheap.
Yes, I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm assuming it's not.
It's not, it's,
Hey, we got Tony waiting on a reset.
I got the receipt.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Big bond conditions on that one?
Yeah, yeah.
258. Oh, wait, no, 37.
Yes, I'm sure.
Ready?
That's fine.
Yes.
And then you'll call me. Do you use, PTI?
If you don't want me, yeah.
Oh.
She was a contract. She was involved in that. Yeah, I started about 3 or 4 weeks ago. She was involved in one. It's a bad accident. It's a bad accident. They had legislation last week. So they really find a lot of information.
I'm sorry.
Close breakage is just excellent to give you your permission to send off
Oh,
certified
yeah.
copies of
Yeah.
tickets.
I'm not there.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, for Livingston, how much time did we give?
Just one more reset, but he's got regular reset, but he's got to be here at the next setting to decide what they want to do. If he wants to do PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next one.
She doesn't need that. She.
You're good.
Yeah.
Stace, she still needs to sign conditions. Once she does, she's with you.
Judge, Tyler.
Oh, he is? Hey, you can tell me if you know that I've got so many windows open if I didn't see it. Just tell me. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Hi.
I didn't know. If
Yeah, it's me. It's me. Tyler. Have we talked to someone today already or no? Hey,
Hey, Judge, sorry, it was on
no,
my
one more time.
Bluetooth.
Just one time. Hold on, Tyler. We can't hear you. Say something.
I'm here.
There we go. We can hear you now. Okay. So next week, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
No. I'm not ready for the
Why?
16th. I'm gonna, well, so it's a combination of things, Judge. I'm still recovering from pretty serious hand puncture, have open wounds in my hand that are still healing all over top and bottom. But also it just kind of coincided, like tomorrow is supposed to be the day that the doctor said, well, you could go back to work the next Monday if your wounds are healed. But I also haven't had a family trip in a year and a half, and I had one scheduled for next week.
But you guys already had multiple resets on this case, Tyler. You know, we allow one reset, then we got to go, you know?
Well, respectfully, I was looking at that. I mean, the state had a continuance. The clerk site doesn't indicate we filed a continuance or had a continuance. I think there was one time I came in and I had talked to
There have
you.
been, there have been multiple continuances on this case. Like how many times this case has been continued? At least 2 times, if not 3.
Well, it shows one on the, it shows one continuance on the clerk's site.
Yeah, I believe first continuance is because multiple trials is that
Right.
same day, and then state also had continued.
Right. So the first one was yours because you had multiple trials going on. So we said, okay, whatever. I think it was a trial with, was it court 8 maybe?
They were set in 7, 8, and 5.
Right. But you guys are always set in every court. So until we get you, you're always set in every court. So it's always going to be like that, you know? So
I think I remember coming in on that and was going to talk to you about it and let you know I was going to be ready depending on what you said. And I may be remembering it wrong, but you had another trial and I think you kind of just waved me off and said, just go get another date. That's fine. You can go to
Sure.
trial in there. And I appreciate that.
So we try to be as easygoing as possible, but at some point we have to say when. We can't just continue to punt it down the road, you know? Give the call number, please.
256.
Okay.
5785.
They raise and she'll come back.
I'm just supposed to be out all next week
On vacation.
on vacation. Yes. I mean, I'm open to other ideas. If you, I mean, I could probably, I don't know if you can we can pick a jury tomorrow and recess to the 21st.
Is there no resolution that can be reached in this case?
Not from our standpoint, Judge. If the state is offering to plead to a DWI conviction, then we want to go to trial.
Does he have a prior DWI?
No priors, Your Honor. We have the time served offer in.
Does he want to apply for PTI? You guys have no interest in PTI?
No, sir. I'm sorry, 22nd, not 21st.
Are you able to pull up the trial docket by court? How come the intelligence page doesn't work? I mean, look, I'm getting this internal server error. I can't pull up any, you know, how you can pull up trials by docket, trials by court, and then all that stuff. I can't pull anything up. It's been like this for days. No, you know how there's the intelligence webpage where you can look at.
So Judge, there's a new one under default. You need to go under that one. The one that says default favorites and pull it up under there.
I don't see it. I don't know what you're talking about.
On your on the bar.
Oh, I see it. Okay, there we go.
And then Perry County Criminal Courts Intelligence.
There we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. That's it.
You're welcome.
So Ramona,
Yes, Judge.
what about the week of the 29th?
That's fine. We have 2 trials scheduled that day or that week. We only have 2.
Tyler, what about the week of the 29th?
That looks good, Judge. I don't have anything on that Thursday or Friday before, and I don't have any trials set on the 29th on the 29th. I have some on the 30th, but I have some on the 30th in court 10 is pref set, but
then let's do the 29th.
okay.
You want it on Monday?
Yeah, That way
Okay,
we
Judge.
can get him in trial first.
Okay,
If we try to set it on the 30th, we're gonna have to argue with other courts, and I don't want to have to do
okay,
that.
that's fine. I'll put it on
This is
the
the last
29th.
reset, though, Tyler. I mean, that's it.
I appreciate it, Judge. You're always very accommodating. I'm sorry to even put
Don't worry about
everybody
it.
in this position.
It is what
We'll
it
be
is,
ready.
but this is it, though, right? We're going.
We'll go.
Okay.
Judge, for scheduling purposes and subpoenaing our witnesses, it'll be for Dyer on Monday and then.
More dire Monday. No, let's just start. Just start, because I mean, there other courts are gonna be, if we're actually in trial, then, so at least let's maybe get through one, at the most two. Yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man.
Thank you very
I
much.
hope your hand gets better.
Yeah, it was bad. I'll tell you about some time. I had like a
No, I
rapidly
know.
flesh-eating
I get it. I
bacteria.
understand.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you all very much, Ramona. Good to see you.
Okay.
And Bree should
So,
be there.
hey, file a
Good to see you
motion.
too.
File a motion. please.
I think we did, and we filed it earlier this week, and Bree approached
Okay.
on it, so
Then
it
I'll
should
grant
still
it then.
be.
And then, but I'm gonna put in there granted, and then trial to be set for the 29th. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
And we can inform my client to stand down for
Yeah.
Tuesday. Okay. All right. Thank you. Y'all.
If a guy schedules a trip in lieu of going to trial, that's not cool. You know what I mean? That's really not cool. If someone has an injury, if there's something, right, but just because the defendant schedules a trip, no. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's not cool. Don't be scheduling a trip when you know you're set for trial. Anyways, okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, man, have fun,
Thank you.
Tyler.
Thank you.
We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you mind putting the continuance consent on? Let me give you the cause number. It's not on the docket today. It's 256-5785. It's defense's continuance, please. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Judges queue, there's nothing, 565-785. Thank you so much.
Oh, wow, why would I think like that? She said. She said.
See you later.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go in.
Listen to Bree. She normally gives us the reciprocals before we do the talking.
No, there's Alice.
Right, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm just gonna get your signature for your bond conditions that the judge would approve. And they keep that, so I should say, whenever you're ready.
Mr. Gonzalez, this is your marketing defense, which you had to do, and then this is your research when you're required to come under court. You're good to go, you have a good day. Yeah. Oh,
All the way up there. All the way up there. Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Bring your mom.
Look at Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to get all the way up there. Thank
Coming up here?
She's in training. That's fine.
Oh, thanks. That's what I want, what I always wanted. Good job, Ellen.
Last time, young. And I was over here.
Can you, wait, can you afford a lawyer? just, we don't know who it is. We gotta wait. Just be patient, really.
Okay, Joe. I'll just back.
But you don't make a signature for that one, just the type. No, that's not nine. You should have one of these for copy. She said she was going to check that one. Oh, everything started.
Vic, you know who he got?
Yeah, we have just one down.
Oh, damn.
I know.
Was it Stacy?
No, not Stacy, Sherry.
Oh, McGonagall?
The bottom is your statement.
She represents Mr. Kamal. Oh, there you are. Hey, there she is. Wonderful. No, not Willis, Davis. That's Miss Davis.
Oh, I'm not sure if she went. Oh, then you can sit and wait until she comes out. You can be there.
I need to approach on Willis as well.
Okay, sure.
Oh, I just got it, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Miss Davis.
We're clairvoyant.
Give me 1 minute of this speech. Jabari Willis.
Okay, do you have a cause number? Is it on docket? It's not on.
That's not the reason I'm approaching it. Hold on.
Oh, you picked up a new case. Where's Mr. Willis now? Yeah, no, I'm gonna revoke his bond if he's picked up a new case.
I spoke with the complainant this morning, and based on my conversation, with her, I believe he's in custody. Because he picked up another video.
Shut the front door.
This is a felony.
Well, I'm gonna revoke this bond anyways. I mean, he's not here. He's supposed to be here. He picked up a new case. He's in another county, whatever. I'm gonna revoke it. I'll set this one at 5,001. And then at least if he is in custody, we'll get the hold. And I don't know, if he bonds out of there, he bonds out of there, but I mean, he's not here, so. And he picked up a new VPO. Did they file it as a felony or? No. I guess, do you want to stay on the case or do you want to withdraw?
I'm going to
Because-
stay for a little while and watch it and see what happens with the cases. If they're resolved in some way that we can handle these.
Sure. Do you know, are you able to see if a bond is set over there?
I can check. I can go see. Well, that's the another one now, but yeah, we'll pull it up.
Okay. All right. I guess just let me know if you want to withdraw, then just,
Not yet.
yeah, just whenever you want. Sure, of course. Okay, and then just tell me once she signs conditions, Sherry, at that point, she's free to go. Stace,
Okay, ready for Mr. Henderson. Somebody.
did you talk to him?
Yes.
Do you mind bringing Mr. Henderson out? Hey, on the terroristic threat with Willis, same complaining witness
Yes, sir.
with the VPO, right? Okay. I told you what the expectation is. You know, I understand that you're frustrated. I understand that this sucks, but everybody here is just trying to do a job. And it's not fair for you to take your frustration out on everybody else, making their life more difficult, invariably making your life more difficult because we have a jail here. And when you act out, what's going to happen? You're just going to end up in jail. It's just not fair. All we want to do here is protect our community and make sure everyone's safe. If you pick up a criminal case, there are certain things that you got to live. That's it. I'm not asking you to do anything out of the ordinary, anything crazy. When people have too much time on their hands, Mr. Henderson, they tend to get in a lot of trouble and become self-destructive. We are now in month 6, and you're now, what, number 3 already this year? Is this number 4?
Number 5, or number 4 this year.
In a matter of 6 months, you have picked up a 4th case, and you come in here acting like you're the king, like you got some game.
Your Honor, based on this, we also did accept charges on assault family member.
1 second ahead.
We're looking into it right now, Your Honor.
Better be ready. Oh, another warrant's about to hit. I think Mr. Willis said, I'm not Mr. Willis, Mr. Henderson. I think that I'm well within my right to hold you in contempt. I will give you one final chance. If you ever, and everything that has transpired today, I will be writing down. If you ever act like this again, I will have a contempt hearing and you will be facing 180 days in jail. Flat. Do you understand? So when pretrial asks you, do you have a phone? You have to be honest because there are conditions that I'm placing on you now. I'm doing everything I think in my power to prevent you from picking up a 7th case in 6 months. You will get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. If you are 1 minute past curfew, I will throw your butt in jail. I will look at the case and I'm going to make it run high. You understand? Okay, so just be ready.
Right.
I don't know, have you seen?
No, I haven't. She just attached.
Yeah, so just be ready. I mean, it's just a matter of time before another case hits. Come back and we'll talk. We'll see how, when that second case hits, I don't have to give you another PR bond. A lot of what we do here will depend on how you are with compliance with the conditions that we place. You will be tested 40 days from today. It's not a matter of if, So from today forth, if you put anything into your body that you don't know what the hell is, you may very well be looking at more jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Stace, I'll release them to you. I'd like to just see how he acts with Veronica to make sure that she doesn't have to.
You don't like the monitor price.
I'm sorry. Yeah, GPS. So GPS, right? No contact with the complaining witness, no going within 1,000 feet of where she lives, works. Curfew 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Must get a job. Back in 2 weeks to see what he's done to get a job. When you come back, I want to see 20 to 30 applications for a job, Mr. Henderson.
Last name Davis.
I haven't eaten on it. I did that as a
Judge
judge.
Lawson, were you doing
I
that?
don't know what that is, but I have to do it.
Okay, hold on, I just do it. 1 second.
And actually, I work at.
Judge, we had an off, I'm gonna ring it.
Sharon David.
So, yeah, let me just finish real quick.
The address is loosely spelled.
Or I'm just gonna get you to sign off.
There's out that week. We emailed it, but we texted him as soon as the day, so he would know that we just told him that he's out.
Oh, no, okay. You're gonna show me that this is your next court date. You're welcome. You're welcome, that's it.
So what's a good time then?
He comes back on the 6th, Judge. If you need to do it, I guess it's just, they will kind
Judge.
Hey, y'all, this is Tyler Flood. Thank you for calling. Sorry I missed your call, but
I just left him I texted him, tell him to call. I just called him, it went straight to voicemail, so let me see. Okay, Victoria, what's the cost number, please? Farwa. 26 24 26 24 148.
Yes, Judge. Last name Flores.
All right, coming up, Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores, you're charged with assault of a family member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 8th, 2026, officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas, in reference to domestic disturbance. Complainant's stepdad advised that defendant threw his mother and pulled her hair. Dispatch advised the defendant drove off in vehicle. Upon arrival, complainant stated she got into an argument with defendant, told him to leave, and he came home. Complainant got into the driver's seat, so defendant would not drive. Defendant attempted to remove complainant from the vehicle by pulling her hair and shirt. She had minor scratches and defendant trying to pull her out of the vehicle. Defendant also pushed complainant out of the vehicle. Officer observed scratches on complainant's arm and neck. Complainant's son stated he heard complainant screaming and came outside and observed defendant in the driver's seat while complainant was on the passenger side. Witness observed defendant's hand on complainant's head. He was unsure if he was hitting her. Witness stated complainant fell out of the vehicle and defendant drove off. Officer was able to locate defendant's vehicle and initiated a traffic stop.
Do we know if any alcohol or dope played a factor in this? What time of day or night?
Stated that the defendant came home drunk. Officers were dispatched to the location at around 3 a.m.
The prior assault that he has that was dismissed about 6 months ago, same complaining witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Flores, I want you to know that I'm putting a whole host of conditions on you. You will get a scram on your ankle now, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. I will protect my community at all costs. If you ever put your hands on someone while you're on bond in this court, I'm going to put my hands all over your bond and I'm going to make it.
Yes, sir.
You understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness, and you're not to go within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. You have a monitor on your ankle, so I know where you are at all times. You go anywhere near there, I'm going to throw your ass in jail and I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested for everything. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, likewise, into jail you go. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is not contrary to popular belief. This is not a revolving door.
Yes, sir.
You will also get a curfew. (10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not to be out.
Yes, sir.
No weapons. Test in 40 days. Let's make sure there's a protective order in this case. I would say, so I'm going to amend the MOA to do 121 days because he's in a car and that's a deadly weapon. So I'm now, this protective order will be issued. You are not to have any contact. If you violate this condition, they can file additional case against you, and a violation of protective order is a capital murder of misdemeanors. You understand? We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'm gonna have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and then we'll see you in 30 days. Come on. THA.
All right, go ahead and have a seat, please.
Hi, Greg.
Need you standing there. So that next part.
What's up? Good to see you, man.
You too.
Happy Friday Eve.
Yeah, that'd be Friday.
Can I put you on hold for 1 second? I'm really so
I
sorry.
haven't heard anything on docket. I've seen.
Okay, give me 1 second. Tyler,
Yes, sir.
so it looks like the state's witness cannot be there on the 29th.
Okay.
What about the following week? Like the week of the 6th?
Yeah, I've got a felony set in Brazoria County on that on 6, but I don't think that's gonna go. They had to, the DA's office had to recuse themselves and they got a special prosecutor and we haven't even discussed a resolution yet. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
so
think
you're,
that's gonna
yeah,
go.
you're not gonna go. Okay, so why don't we, Ramona,
Yes, Judge.
can we do it that day, the 6th?
Yeah, if that's when you want to move it.
Hold on, Ramona.
Okay.
Back on the 6th, so we can do work diary on the 6th and testimony.
Sure. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah. Okay, all right, so we'll do it the 6th then.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to make sure you knew I had that conflict. We'll contact them right now and probably just felt like continuous because they haven't even reached out to me at all.
Okay, so hey, we'll just so that you know, we'll just do voir dire on that day. And then we'll break
Okay.
and we'll start testimony the next day, okay?
Okay, all right. So July 6th.
Yeah,
Thank
sorry
you.
about the problem.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, man.
Okay, no, thank you.
All right, I hope you feel better. All
Thank
right,
you.
bye, Tyler. Okay, thanks.
Bernard Lane ring a bell, is one of your fugitive. I have him on docket today.
Lang?
Bernard Lane,
Lane.
and court if you're asking me to come up here to kind of try to figure out what's going on. So he's had a
Court
fugitive
2.
warrant. They said he's on docket in your court today as well. I thought he was on yesterday. But
It shows he's on, it shouldn't be on both days. I don't, that's a,
Well, I thought it was yesterday. That's why I put him in court 2 today.
is he with you over there?
I'm trying to figure, because he didn't make it to
So-
court 2, and he's on holdover.
So normally when someone has a fugitive case, if they've not made bond,
Well, he's made bond.
it's told. He's made bond here, so usually we give them 14 days to come pick him up.
I thought. So I don't know if he's out or they got, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure it out.
Do you know if he's not filed a fugger, is he? Day? Yeah,
Lane, Bernard Lane. He's the defendant.
yeah.
Then he's also on my docket.
He's set for 6/11 for pickup.
Adam's on the fugitive case.
Hold on, let me call Day.
Today's the 11th, right?
Yeah.
This month.
But he didn't make it up.
And he-
Yeah, because he's,
He didn't make it to court 2 either. He was on both dockets for some reason. I don't know.
oh, he didn't make it there either. We don't have him? We don't have him either.
He's not in the back. I can check.
Hey, can I talk to you for a second? I'm gonna put you on speaker.
I am not his attorney on the fugitive warrant, just so that.
Hey,
Yes, Judge.
are they gonna pick up Lane?
Well, that's what we're trying to verify right now. Is that Adam there?
No, it's Greg, who's his lawyer in the other misdemeanor case.
Hold on, let me pull up.
So court 2 is trying to figure out what's going on.
So they should have this morning. That was part of the conversation yesterday. I just got an email. We're trying to verify with them right now if he's actually like physically in their van. So that's what we're trying to verify. I should have an update in in the next 30 minutes, hopefully.
Okay,
I can
well-
email you too, Greg. Yeah.
So he'll email you.
Okay, I'll run to another court delay.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
I'll-
he
I'll
might
have
be
an update
getting
before
picked up literally as we speak now.
Okay.
Yes.
So just make sure that you have a good number for him so that,
I don't have anything.
well,
Yeah, we have each other's numbers, Judge.
well, no, not you, the defendant,
Oh.
because if he goes back to where he's wanted from and then you guys lose contact and they end up issuing a warrant there, it's gonna be exact.
Jay, was it Georgia or was it like something else? I can't remember.
This one was, I can tell you right now, it is Idaho.
Idaho.
I know.
Okay, because this is the second time I think he's gone through this. But anyway, okay.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm gonna-
but I'll email.
Okay.
yeah, just CC Adam though too, Okay?
All right, thanks, sir.
I will.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
But, hey, Dave's really good about getting to you guys, so hopefully within,
Go to court too fast. Maybe I'll
Okay.
let you know.
Ms. McBoom.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Joe Manning.
Manning?
Yes, we just received our DWI PTI contract this morning. May we please have a reset?
Okay, so your case is 170 days it's old, okay? I'll give you a reset, but where are you with the PTI?
We just received the contract this morning.
You just got the contract?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so we'll give you about 2 weeks to finish everything up then.
All right.
30 through July 2nd.
June 30th through July 2nd.
The 30th.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. I put amended on there, just so that you guys know that it's, yeah, okay. Hi, good morning.
I'm approaching October.
Okay,
I just received the DWIP contract this very morning.
great. So we'll just give you a couple weeks to finish it up.
We just need a little time for him to go.
Yep. Okay,
The device.
you got it.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your age?
You know the messed up thing on Willis? The terroristic threat was filed on 4/12. The VPO that they just filed here happened 4/20. So why are we just now getting it? You know, it's been 2 months. I don't know, or I guess was he just Is it he just get picked up on it or something?
The BPO is a 2B.
Oh, right, okay.
And the one in Mocha does 426.
Mom. I want to go back to driving now.
And then go on this one. Man accountants.
What is this one? Yeah.
Oh, they swapped me.
Got to go back to driving.
I'm sorry. Well, if you can help me see.
Let's go back to driving.
Hey, let's go to the list. Unless you want to stay here. Get your sister.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Did you guys dismiss Bohana?
That's.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
All right, let me do that. Webster. All right, so you want time, Monday, 15th?
Yeah.
See ya.
Thank you.
Where's Pascal and driving the license to send yeah, we just do that.
Hey, picture was better, Mom.
No, look so good.
Hey, Jesse's,
Our Judge, bottom of 7. There were coupons posted, his mom called and said he was in the hospital. And I asked for documentation, I haven't received it.
10,003. Who's next?
Page 13. The defendant has 2 cases on for today, and 1 on for tomorrow. All of them are already.
2501 on these two. Brenda.
Yeah, I should do that. Just the personal.
I think that's it.
Top of 15, did you grant that one?
Is it ODL?
There were two of them on that.
I signed one with Ramona. I don't,
Just one? Okay.
yeah, I don't know which one I did. Okay, are you ready? Hi, Mr. Bailey, come on up. What's new?
Coaching on, just hanging out, trying to.
Cool.
Make the docket, sorry, work meeting.
Oh, shut.
Yeah, Your Honor, I've got Mr. Lawson.
Okay.
You heard PC on him a little bit earlier. Mr. Lawson in custody. I have a cause number for you.
I got it. No, I know who you're talking about.
I just wanted to give a status on the bond situation. Did you set up on this case?
Yeah, there's, well, I guess the magistrate may have, they're 5,002 each.
Right, that's all that. Your Honor, I'm asking to reapproach and talk about that because.
Sure, of course.
I understand the basis for violation was that he failed to come to court after opening the case. Mr. Lawson has told me about his blue bags with his dad, he was 50 miles away. I'm just representing what he told me, which is that he did try and call the court and let him know that it.
I'm not going to give him another PR bond. You picked up a new case. You didn't show up when you had a BVR. I'm not going to give you one. If you want a bond reduction, I'm happy to give you a bond reduction, but I'm not going to sit here. This is not a revolving door, man.
Yes, sir.
You don't get to continue to pick up cases, continue to violate conditions and just, okay, here. No. So.
I understand that, Your Honor. I would ask, to reduce the bonds to 2,500 each.
How much?
2,500 each.
Sure, of course. We'll do 2501, so I know that there's, but yeah. Yes, absolutely, of course. Yes, sir. No. You want both, Mr. Baylor, right? Both?
I'm asking for on one, but yes, sir.
Oh, you still looking to what, you only want one?
I want on both.
I thought you said both,
I
but
was thinking maybe two for the price of one is what I was thinking, but.
Okay, so 2501 on both.
Sorry.
July. Judge, the one council approached you on Willis.
yeah, 5,001. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
That was just double check.
Have you got anybody back there? No? Okay, all right, we're done. Yeah. Okay, that's it. All she wrote.
Judge, tomorrow's my last day in court about it.
No, what?
Yeah, they told me yesterday. It's another meeting.
Where are you going?
I'm waiting for 12.
It's, wow.
Yeah.
Well, who's in court 12?
Judge Geis.
Oh, she's great.
Yeah.
I mean, she's